Your mom is coming. Oh, hurry up before your brother comes. She's gonna tell you not to do it. Come on. Just give it a hug.
No, I'm not giving her
Can they run?
hug.
Come on.
Can they run?
Just give it a little kiss.
Can they run?
No, then you give me more than that.
Can they run?
Yes, they can run, Karen.
Yeah, and they can also fly.
They can fly.
They could?
The goddamn bird jaw.
So, chickens can't fly.
Smile.
See?
Mommy, they're gonna eat you.
So, let me see if mom will.
Oh, God, you know she's gonna say no.
I'll eat
You may
them.
never know.
Your mother said she'll eat them? Oh, Lord.
I said, Mommy, they're gonna eat you. She said, I eat them.
I told Devan, if you go and try to hug one of them, I'll pay for his dinner for showing Sting.
No. Do it. Give it a hug.
You gonna try to hug it? Go ahead, Charmaine. Go try to hug it.
Mommy, I'll go.
Charmaine, go ahead. Go try to hug it. Come on.
Why you guys get so far? Can we kick it?
Come on. Go ahead. Go hug it. So this is not too good. Go ahead, Charmaine. Give a hug.
See, after I did that, I was like, oh, snap. This time kind of.
Mom!
That's why this is the same way I'm feeling. After this, if he didn't do that, I would have went. The white one is the mommy.
Oh, for real?
That's what I was saying. I was like, that's probably the mom.
Oh, so she gonna protect. Oh, damn! Don't go next to them. No. Mama gonna kill us.
Let's go back on the rock.
I know. If we had some bread, she would have came greedy.
Yes, I shall.
Look at her.
Mom!
She gonna protect her young.
I would kick it.
Some big babies. Come on, Devan. This is your chance.
Can you play for me?
No.
Standing here?
No.
All right,
I'm
just
scared of them.
Run through them?
Yeah, go ahead.
I'll run through them, but you gotta keep the same thing. And you see that line right there? I'm gonna run through.
You gotta give the mother a kiss first.
No, I'm not.
Come on, Mom.
Am I gonna run through them? Yes or no?
Yeah, don't harm any animals in this process. Yeah, just throw the rock, please. Thank you.
We can hit the man in the
What? All right. No, I don't trust you.
I'm dead serious. I got it on video. Yeah, they're gonna run away. Exactly.
Let's take it real close.
Exactly. They're not gonna do nothing. Come on, just go for it.
All right. If anything do happen, I blame you.
All right, it's okay.
Don't worry about it.
Yeah, they have no teeth.
You didn't even know if they
Shut up, Karen.
One back and they all say, oh.
Yeah, come on. Listen to him. All right, you ready?
Ready?
I'm ready. I got it. I got it. Come on, Devan. Oh, the mother. They didn't move. They didn't move.
You did?
She coming for you.
Yeah, she doodle. Run up the stairs. Watch out, there's doodle on the floor.
She gonna want to make you her mate now. Oh, God. All right, you get the